Hello friends, welcome back you all to a new video. My name is Abhishek, you are watching Coder. In this video I am going to share you how you can use font awesome icons in your HTML project. So basically there are two ways. By using the CDN you can do it, or either you can download the font awesome icons and use it in your website. So both the way is very easy. So first we will see the download one, how we can download it and use it. First of all we will create the index.html file. Our HTML page is ready and this is our blank page. So in the next tab I will search font awesome. The link I will provide you in the description box. Directly you can open the download section. This is the download page and here you can select the version which, so I will select 6. Why not to try with the latest one. And here what we will do, there is two options, 6.4. Last time when I have created video on this, then it was 6.1, and here this is the for desktop version and here for the web version. And just simply we have to click on this one. This is the zip file which we have downloaded. I will unzip it and it is expanding. Now we have this font awesome icon. So simply I will keep this font awesome folder in the icon where we have created the HTML and we want to use it. And now we will open the VS Code again here. So in the font awesome folder, if you will see CSS, JavaScript, LAS, metadata, SCSS, sprites, SVG, web font, too many things are there, but we will have to link a file that is inside the CSS folder, that is all.css. So what we have to do, in the link tag, not li, link tag, in the link tag we will link this one. So in the font awesome folder, CSS folder and all.css, like this. And here is the font awesome initialized, and let's see any icons is working or not. Now we will click on this icons option and then we can search any icon. Like here I have typed message icon, so this much icons is coming and you can filter it like for free, and we can select any of the options. And here in using HTML we have to simply copy this I class fa solid fa message. So just click on this one, it will be automatically copied, and here in the VS Code I will write I will paste that one. And in the browser you can see the font awesome icon. I will zoom it little bit and I will try little bit more icons. Suppose I want this arrow icon. Simply you open this one and you click here, this code will be copied. And here are the options also, like if you are using React, Vue, or if you want the SVG code directly, then you will get everything here. And I will go to VS Code and I will paste this icon also. Let's see. So here you can see in this way we can use the font awesome icons. And suppose we want to change the color and all things of this one, then simply fa message is there. So in the style tag, so here I am writing inbuilt internal CSS, like here I will write style tag in the head and I will paste this fa message and I will change the color to suppose red. Then you can see my icon color is now red. So in this way you can customize it also.